Okay, this is just a quick video of a sub box that I've built and bought a Pioneer 10-inch there from my man Dom. This is 1.9 cubic foot, it's internally braced, 18mm wood used throughout. It's got the stone spray paint effect finish on all round edges, and the port down there, that is tuned to 30 hertz roughly. It's got a nice shallow roll off though, so it hits 25 very nicely as well. The box on its own is with roughly tuned to about 26ish, but then with the bracing, with the sub displacement, with everything else, I sort of rounded it up to 30, but it hits everything else very nicely as well. So it's just a demonstration of this. But yeah, let's just see what this thing can do. Okay, so 28 hertz from a 10-inch subwoofer. Now let's do a cheeky 25 hertz. Whoa, 25 hertz right there.